In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover a deleted email address. In my last Gmail tutorial, I showed you how to delete a Gmail account. Now, if you just did that and you want to recover it, you can use this button you're going to be shown with this screen. But let's say you came back after a week and you wanted to recover your email address. I'll just go to google.com and then I'm going to search for how to recover deleted Gmail account. And you see, it's going to say recover a recently deleted Google account. I'll click on that. And then I'm going to click on follow the steps. And then I want to use that email address which I created. Now I've entered that email address. You could also enter your phone number. I'll click on next. And it tells me this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. I will go to next. Now it's going to prompt me to add the password here. I will just do that right away. And I'll click on next. And it tells me success. You entered your current password. So you can continue Gmail. And you can also change your password from here. Let's say maybe somebody mistakenly had deleted this account because they had the password. You can decide to change the password, but you can still change it later. I'll just click on continue. And then it brings me back here. I'll just click on Gmail. I'll click on Gmail here. And it's going to take me back into that Gmail account. Now, you see, these are the two email addresses I had. These are the two emails rather, which I had. But mind you, if your account has been inactive, maybe it was deleted by Google after 2 years of inactivity, because Google themselves, they see that. This is an inactive Google account. It's an account that has not been used within a 2-year period. Google reserves the right to delete an inactive Google account and its activity and data if you are inactive across Google for at least 2 years. So if this was deleted by Google because of 2 years of inactivity, you may not be able to recover it. It's better to just go ahead and create a new Gmail account. So in a nutshell, this is how to create to recover a deleted Gmail account. If you want more tools and tech tips like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and post any comment you have. God bless you. Peace.